How to buy Sogni protocol token. So this token came under the symbol of Sogni. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community. As you can see, they have big community there. Now this token is available on Mexc. So if you want to buy this token, just open your Mexc account like that, as you can see. Now if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account and Mexc to benefit from rewards. And after that, click here in the search bar and type Sogni like that. So after that, you will be able to find this announcement. Now click on the initial listing announcements. Now as you can see, make sure to read all of that, as you can see. So here you will be able to see the deposit is open it. Now this pair trading is in a wait zone in July 2, so it will be released in July 2 in 12 UTC. Now the withdrawal is in July 3 in the 12 UTC and the convert in July 2 in 13 UTC. Now I will give you an example if this token is listed to be able to buy this to buy it on your account. Now for example, I will just use the Bitcoin like that. So after that, what you need to do, select the pair that have USDT, but make sure to select the spot and above it. Now as you can see, now after that, click on it and now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now here you can type how much you want to buy like that, as you can see. And here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive of that token. And after that, click on buy Sogni. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to find this token added to your account. So this is how to buy Sogni token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.